Good afternoon, Sister Wanda from Strada. I'm here today to show you this lovely show apartment by a developer called Evera from Kyrgyzstan. This is their very first development here in Dubai. The project is located in JVC and it's called Olivo. The great thing about this project is it's almost ready, 7 months from completion. They're also accepting 30/70 payment plan, which means that mortgage buyers can get involved, right? So as you come in, you've got this lovely biometric door entry system, and this is what the show apartment looks like. Very beautiful finishing, as you can see. So as you come in, like I say, biometric door system. It's actually a smart home, so you've got a home hub which is located over here, which controls your AC, curtains and lighting in the property. In most layouts, you're going to get this laundry room, which will have shelving. The show apartment is brand new, so they haven't finished everything. It'll have shelving at the top here. You've got Bosch appliances throughout. So this is a Bosch washing machine and storage. You can use that as your laundry. And then to your right-hand side, you've got your kitchen. So it comes with a kitchen island. All the sanitary ware is by Casa Milano, which is a very high-end Italian brand. The units, the 2 beds and some of the bigger 1-bed layouts come with a dishwasher as well, which is attached to the kitchen island. The appliances, like I said, were Bosch. So the fridge freezer is Bosch. The launch is today, so sorry, there's a bit of food in there. And as you can see, you've got your nice 4-plate cooking range here, which is a gas extractor fan by Bosch as well. Lovely wooden finishing with a grey on top and wooden finishing at the bottom. And like a cream finish right at the end here. Again, Bosch microwave oven supplied. The paneling will not be provided. The ceilings will be 3.1 meters, but this is how spacious the units will be. You can expect 750 square foot as a minimum. So we'll go back, or actually it comes with a dining table attached to your bar and kitchen island as well. And then this is your guest washroom, suspended toilet, nice big mirror, giving the illusion of space, as you can see. Storage under. And then to your left, you've got your bedroom. Obviously, this is the 1-bed layout. This is a commercial building, so we couldn't put a balcony in, but here where you see this wall is where the balcony will be. So this is actually space that you'll get in the 750 square foot apartment. And this is what it looks like. I really like that they've used actual wood rather than MDF for their wardrobes. So they're very solid. You can feel how heavy they are, that it's a really, really solid quality product. The developer is new to Dubai. They own their own construction company, which has been running for a while now. And they've decided that they're going to go into construction themselves. So to prove themselves, they've constructed 50% of the building already, just to remove any doubt that they won't finish the project. And then they've started the sales. So escrow's open. Your money will go directly to the UAE government, so you can rest assured that your money will be safe even though the developer is new. And they're offering a 37 payment plan, which opens the project up to mortgage buyers. So if you're interested in the project, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Tawanda. I'm from Strada. The number is 0585 722 309. I'll just say that one more time. That's 0585 722 309. Please get in touch. These will sell out really fast because they're getting ready in 7 months only from now. So they'll be ready Q3 of 2025. Thank you.